Colors in arts. Color, kulay. Creative tayo kapag present ang mga kulay. Fine arts student or graduate. Multimedia arts student or graduate. Ako po, multimedia arts. Ang course ko na kinuha. Gusto ko, nga po sana is fine arts. Usapang arts. Why do we need art in our lives? Bakit may art na nag-e-exist sa mundo? Bakit may kulay? Bakit may colors? Okay, so, colors in arts. Art materials mo, iba-iba ang kulay. For example, watercolor paint. Colored pens, color pencil. Colors in arts. Lahat ng kulay ay may iba-ibang kahulugan. Red, warmth. Orange, optimism. Yellow, cheerfulness. Blue, skies. Green, nature. Violet, mysterious. White, purity. Black, darkness. Gray, distance. Colors in arts. Katulad sa manga at anime. At drawing na may kulay, present doon ang colors. Am I right? Okay. Colors in arts. Ano ang favorite color mo? Mine is black or violet. Okay. Bilang art student, kamusta ka? Bilang art professional, kamusta ka? Or bilang art hobbyist, kamusta ka? Kamusta ka? Are you doing what drives you? Your passions in life? Your favorite hobby? Which will soon turn into a profession? Okay, so colors in arts. Kapag walang kulay ang mundo, walang life. We can't enjoy life kapag ganun. We can't. Kapag ganun. Okay, so colors in arts. Graphic design, important yun. Colors in arts. Isipin mo na lang, walang kulay yung french fries mong kinakain. Diba naman? So, dapat present ang kulay. What if yung donuts mong bibilhin, walang colors na present? Dull, diba? So, colors are important. Especially if artist ka. Tama ako dun, diba? Okay, so yung libro mong bibilhin, front cover, walang kulay, no colors. Present. Ayaw nating humantong sa ganun, okay? Colors in arts. Kahit black and white, kulay din. Parang IG ko lang, black and white voodoo. Okay, kahit sa mga website, may kulay na present. Okay? Cellphone mo, may kulay din. Okay? Lahat ng fast food mong pinupuntahan at coffee shops, merong that distinct colors na present and famous sila doon kapag kahit sa sarili mong kwarto at study space or work area mo, yun, okay. Colors in arts. Kahit damit mong suot at sapatos mo, yung forma mo, may mga kulay na present, diba? Okay. Colors in arts. Bakit black and white pa din itong film ko? Style, uniqueness, natatangi. Okay. Rare case. Colors in arts. If you want to unleash the artist side in you, then start with colors. And do your way up to that ladder of success and be professional at the same time. doing the things that you love. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe.